Hello guys, welcome to Bash Lamp channel. And today we are going to start a new series, named called Windows Server 2019 Fundamentals. With this series, you will be able to learn about some key features of Windows servers. And also you will learn about the Active Directory fundamentals. So, before we start the series, we need to set up our environment. So, in this episode, I will be talk about how you can install Windows Server ISO file in the VMware Work Station. You can also install it on the VMware Player or the Oracle VirtualBox. If you are a fan of VirtualBox, I have already made a video for that. You can check that out. I will leave a link in the description. First, we need to download the ISO file. For that, you can go to this site and download your Windows Server 2019 ISO image. Basically, you will get the 180 days evaluation copy. That means you can use this ISO file for 180 days, with free of cost. So, you can see here, they provided 3 options. For now, we are going to download the ISO file. So, let's select ISO type. When you click the Continue button, you will get the form, like this. So, you can fill this form. When you are done, you are ready to download your image. But you need a speed internet connection to download this, because the size of this file will be around 5 gigabytes. Let's start our installing steps. And then, open the VMware Work Station. And to create new virtual machine, click here, then you will get a prompt like this. I'm choosing typical installation, and click Next. Then select the last option, that I will install the operating system ladder option. After that, we can select the highest Windows Server version from here. And we can give any name. Okay, and here I am going to specify our virtual hard disk size. After that, let's click Finish. Once you create your virtual machine, we need to modify certain settings. For that, I am going to click Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Here we have certain settings we need to modify that. First, if you find floppy disk here, you need to remove that first. After that, I can increase the memory size. If you don't have enough memory, you might get some blue screen error messages. And then make sure you have selected NAT network adapter. Now it is the time for us to add our ISO file. For that, click on the optical disk settings and select optical disk option and choose our ISO file. So we are almost done. Let's start our server. So if you are a Windows user, you know that this will be our first screen of the installation process. Here we have the options to select language to install, and time and currency format. Then finally we have the keyboard format. For now, we are going to leave it as default. Now, I am going to click Next to continue. Here, we have 2 options. One is Install Now, another one is Repair Your Computer. If you want to repair your existing Windows Server 2019, you can choose this one, but we want to create new one, right? So let's click Install Now button. On this console, we have the options to select the operating system which we want to install. In Windows Server 2019 Evaluation ISO image, we have 2 editions. We can go for Windows Server Standard Edition or Windows Server 2019 Data Center Edition. Both comes with core text options and the desktop experience. So, for this lab, I'm going to install Windows Server 2019 Standard Edition with Desktop Experience. And now click Next and accept the license. Here, we have 2 options. I can select the custom installation because we are going to install the clean Windows. Then you will get this prompt. So, in this prompt you need to create the new partition. So I can click New and create the new disk. Then I can select the disk for the Windows installation. Now click the Next button. That's it, we are done. Let's wait for some time to finish the installation. After finish the installation, your server will restart automatically. After rebooting, I can give the password for the administrator. After rebooting, you will need to give the Alt-Delete keys, or you can select from this menu. Now we can log in as administrator. That's it guys. We have successfully installed Windows Server 2019. And you can see our server manager also got started. In future episodes, we will be working with this server manager. So, subscribe Bash Lamp for more system engineering and cybersecurity videos. Thank you once again.